we've unboxed and reviewed the Sonic Gear Pandora Mini. And now it's time to take a look at its even little brother. And this is the Sonic Gear Pandora Micro. I'm Warren from KLGadgetGuy. Let's unbox this mini boombox speaker. Let's get to it. Alright, this is the smallest member in the Pandora family. Let's take a look around the box before we open up the package. So we are having a 5-hour battery life on this speaker, and we have a gel band that protects against scratches, spills and knocks, pretty much the same as the Pandora Mini. And it also has bass reflection technology that produces powerful bass, and it has a micro SD card slot for music playback, so you can slot in your micro SD card and start playing music without connecting to any of your phones or PCs or tablets, right? And it has a touch-sensitive control panel. Interesting. We are going to take a look at that. And under here, we are seeing features like a rechargeable battery, and it's for use at home, in office, or you can bring it for travel if you like it. And finally, it has a rubberized finish. So, taking a look at specs, we are going to zoom in the camera for a bit. Yeah, it should be clear right now. And we have over here, we have a total system power of 5 volts and an impedance of 4 ohms, and we have two 40mm drivers, and the frequency response is from 100 Hz to 20 kHz. Right, that's pretty much about the box, and we're gonna open the box right now. So I'm gonna take out this tape on top here. Obviously, this has been opened before, and we're gonna take the speaker out. So the packaging of the Pandora Micro is fairly simple over here, and this is how the speaker looks like. We're going to put it aside first and take a look at the cables provided. So we have a standard USB port to micro USB cable for charging purposes. And the most interesting one is probably this cable. It has a micro USB connector that connects to the speaker itself, and you get to have a 3.5mm jack at the end that connects to your smartphone or MP3 player. So don't lose this cable, because if you lose it, it's going to be very difficult to find one. So take note of it. And finally, we get to the speaker. On the top here, we get to see control buttons, and it feels rubbery as well. You cannot press on it because it is touch sensitive. And here are the dual drivers, 40mm drivers. Under here we have the Sonic Gear serial number and stuffs, and on the left and right we have the Sonic Gear branding. So at the back here we have the bass reflector, and this is the micro SD card slot. We have the micro USB port over here, and this is the power switch that switch to either Bluetooth or Lightning. Right? So that's pretty much on the Sonic Gear Pandora Micro. We'll be doing a full review of it, including a sound test on how it sounds like. So stay tuned to our full review and our sound test video as usual on our YouTube channel at KLGadgetGuy, and remember to subscribe to it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave comments down below just to tell us what you would like to see on the Pandora Micro, and we'll show it to you on video. Like us and follow us on Facebook and Twitter at KLGadgetGuy. I'm Warren signing off, and I'll see you next time in our next gadget review. That's it for now.